Okay, so this is day 2 of treadmill test. I still have it kind of apart. I got the console apart this morning. I'm thinking I'm going to clean up this area here. So the question is, let's see, I've ordered a part, a speed sensor part, but then the motor bugs down, and so I'm thinking let's do some bench testing and see if the motor is any good, because that's an expensive thing. It's like $1,000. So what we've got here to test is the schematic, and here is the primitive board here. This is the motor. This is where it connects in. I've already got the leads disconnected from the coil over here, and I'm going to test this. Let's see, what's it rated at? 115 volts, but I can test this with my cordless battery pack. This is I don't know, 12 volts, something like that. 19.2 it peaks at, probably for the torque. So let's give it a try. I think for positive, let's see, I'm going to use, I think, red here and black there. Let's give that a try. Let me set the phone so we can see. Alright. And give that a shot. Kneeling and crouching. Okay, so set this aside here, and we'll put that to there, and that to there. Hey, look at that. Look at there. The hillbilly test. Bypass the motherboard. Now let's see if the motor, if I can bog it down. It seems strong. I definitely can bog it down on the flywheel, but I think the motor's good. Sounds good. So, speed sensor is this little doohickey off of here. Gotta make sure I don't take my finger off. And then there's magnets that spin around on this flange. Let's see, focus. So the gap, it's this stupid chip. $40 I think it is. But this is promising. And that elevation motor over there, that works fine. We're just trying to get this sorted out. Okay, done.